in order to meet the needs of orchard pruning.
Japu professional design and development of lithium electric scissors. It is small in appearance, light in weight, using imported pure copper motor, 500 watts of power. Power is strong. 5A large capacity lithium battery.
We can see the remaining charge.
A single charge can work for a whole day. Carbon steel blade, sharp and not hurt trees, flexible gear adjustment. Thick branch or thin branch, gently press 1 second to cut.
Cutting an entire shard in a day
is no longer a problem with this lithium electric scissors. Japu, the expert choice.